This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your Facebook friends list on a mobile device. I will be using an iPhone SE for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now and I have the Facebook app opened up. This is just on my normal home page here. To hide your friends list, what you want to do is tap on your profile picture in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on Profile Settings. Then you will tap on Profile Privacy. Then you will scroll down to where you see it says, Who can see your friends list? And you want to tap on that. And then from here, you could leave your friends list public, which it's normally set to public, or you can change it like I have mine changed to only my friends that I have on Facebook can see my friends list, or you can change it to basically to nobody. If you click on that last one, you could pick certain people, or you could have it nobody if you choose the last one. But that is how you hide your friends list on Facebook. Thanks for watching.